Hey everyone, Matthew Moniz, and right now I'm in the Gigabyte suite, and instead of showing you a laptop, I want to show you a very budget-friendly option. Behind me, we have a 1080p monitor. It's full HD, it's IPS, it's 1920 by 1080, it's 144 hertz, 1 milliseconds, and it's 27 inches. All the standard stuff you'd see in a typical gaming monitor. Now, the crazy thing about this thing is the price. I actually did some research. I looked on Amazon to see if there was any other monitors priced lower or close to this one, and I couldn't find anything. The price of this is $250. All the other 1920 by 1080 panels that I found on Amazon were 144 to 150 bucks, but the problem though was that most of them were using TN panels. With this one, you're actually getting a full-fledged IPS panel, which means not only do you have a color gamut that's over 120% sRGB, it's over 250 nits of brightness, so it's a little bit over the average that I usually recommend, and you just have a good gaming monitor for a low cost. Now I know I don't bring you guys enough budget products, so I thought this would be a very interesting one. Now obviously there's nothing fancy about the design, like it's made out of plastic, it wobbles a little bit, has a pretty tight hinge on the back, but there's even built-in speakers inside of it to give you sound if you don't have like monitors to connect to it for that gaming experience. I think for 250 bucks, it's a very affordable price tag for a gaming monitor, where otherwise you'd have to spend $500 or $600 on other products if you want something a little bit fancier. So yes, there's obviously no RGB or anything like that, but I think if you're looking for something that's a bit affordable, you're just getting into gaming and your graphics card is, let's say, an RTX 2060 or 1660 Ti, this is probably one of the better solutions out there for that price point. Now, most importantly, if you're interested in me reviewing the G27F, let me know in the comments below. This obviously supports FreeSync and G-Sync, so it doesn't matter if you're rocking an AMD or NVIDIA GPU, this is going to give you a tear-free gaming experience. Anyways, that wraps this up. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more coverage from CES 2020.